Come dance with me. Yeah, move your feet. Move your feet.
Creating these types of videos is super easy with Filmora. Want to learn? Keep watching. Before we begin, visit to my channel and hit the subscribe button so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. You must have seen these types of videos on social media and wonder how they could be done. Like in the Italian brainrot AI art style video. Today, I will show you how you can make something similar in Filmora 14 in easy steps. Let's begin. Step 1. First, launch Filmora and start a new project. Then go to the stock media and select AI media. Here you will get 3 options. The first one is VO3, which is one of the most powerful tools for generating video. Then we have start and end frames, which create a smooth transition from an image to a video. A perfect tool to create a video from an image. And then we have a reference to the video. This is where magic begins. Step 2. Under Reference to Image, you will get an option to upload 3 reference images. On first reference image, upload the main image like I am selecting an octopus. Then in the second option, select and upload the reference image. And I am uploading a spaghetti image. Then the third one is an optional, but we will upload the background image. Step 3. Now it is time to write the prompt. And we will use a simple prompt. Write down, turn an octopus into a spaghetti octopus, wearing sunglasses, drinking beer and chili at the beach. Nice sunny day, wind blowing. HD video. Now, under settings, you will see the resolution and duration of the video it is going to generate. Then click on Generate. You can see the generation progress here at the top bar. Step 4. Once the video is generated, you will find it in My File. Now, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline and proceed with further editing. And further, you can club it with VO3 and create an awesome singing octopus. That's simple to create an Italian brainrot style video in Filmora. Download Filmora from the link in the description and get up to 45% off. See you in the next video.
People in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, get 'em up.